go!
First video of 2021. Feels good. Okay, what's up guys? Phil here today with another video, and today I'll be unboxing some controllers. Feels like a good way to start the year. I bought an Xbox One controller and a PlayStation 4 controller. I don't have a PlayStation 5, so I'm stuck with the PS4 for now. But that's good enough. Still good games to play. So, let me start with the PS4 controller. Yes, it's rose gold, and I'm gonna be honest with you guys. If something is purple or rose gold, I'm gonna buy it. I like it. Looks cool, looks nice. Then, the one that I'm worried about is this one. This is supposedly an Xbox One controller. Well, it is an Xbox One controller. It also works with Windows, and coincidentally, it works with PlayStation 3, PlayStation 4. But okay. It has a built-in battery, so I don't have to buy batteries or steal batteries from various remotes around the house. So that's nice. The cost of this Xbox controller was 1,000 Rand, and the PlayStation 4 controller was 1,200 Rand. Now I hope for 1,000 Rand this works. I hope for 1,000 Rand this works. But before we get to that, let's unbox them. Let's start off with this one first. Okay, let me just start with what it says on the box. Includes USB receiver, up to 5 hours playtime. That's really good. High precision 3D gamepad. I don't care about that. Okay, let's open it. Here's the box. Let me put it to the side. Here. Got it. Yeah, at the back, this was where the USB cable was. So let's open that, and it fell on the floor. No problem. USB receiver right here. So I'm assuming this is for when you're playing on PC. And this is probably when you connect it to the Xbox so you can play with it wirelessly. And this is the wireless receiver for when you play on PC, I'm assuming. So let me go through a quick vibe check. Okay. Doesn't feel that bad. Let me bring out my normal Xbox One for reference. The only thing that's different is the overall feel in the hand. The Xbox One controller is more comfortable, but this is better. This is better. I like it. Let me put that to the side. Okay. Here we got the PlayStation 4 controller. So let's open it up. I already cut it up before I started recording, so that's fine. Let's slide it out, put the box aside, and look at that thing. Put that to the side as well. But look at this beautiful controller. I mean, just look at that beautiful rose gold. This is absolutely beautiful. Look at it. It feels nice. It's been a long time since I've actually used a controller that feels new. Here is my current PS4 controller. This is my day one. I've had this since I bought my PlayStation 4. It's even dirty around the sides. I've had this for 4 years, almost going on to 5. Day one right here. But this one is just beautiful. Just look at it. Let me switch it on. Oh, hey, it's the Gen 2, the one with the light bar at the top there. Very, very nice. PlayStation 4 user guide. There we have it. I know how to use a PlayStation 4 controller by now. I've been using one for 4 years. So that's what we do with that. So let me get the controllers together. They look nice. They look really nice. Nice. I'm satisfied with my purchase. Nice. So these are the two controllers put together. I have a gray one, but that one I borrowed to a friend. But I'm loving this rose gold one. I think it looks better than the original right here. Put that to the side. Compare the two Xbox controllers. Look at that. Okay, well obviously the original Xbox controller looks much better, but this one here, I have a play and charge kit for it right here. But the play and charge kit is absolutely terrible. It lasts about 1 hour or 2 hours if I'm honestly lucky. This one here says it has a battery life of 5 hours. The only downside to this one, now that I'm actually going through the controller, is that it doesn't have an aux input, so I can't connect my headphones, and it doesn't have that weird proprietary port that Xbox used for their headset at first. So that's that. But at least this one has 5 hours of battery life, and there's this button here on the bottom that says on or off. Oh, it lights up. Isn't that cool? I hope this one works though. So that was the unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I did buy these controllers at Musica, however you pronounce it. And I did ask them, do they have any PlayStation 5s in stock, knowing very well that they don't have any PlayStation 5s. What they said was that you go to the shop, or online, but I was at the shop. So I asked the assistant, how do I get a PlayStation 5? And they were like, you book an order, and when we get stock or when more PlayStation 5s arrive in South Africa, we will call you for you to come and fetch your PlayStation 5. I'm not sure about the payment, if it's before or after. I'm pretty sure it might be before. I'm not too sure. One thing that I also do pray for is that when Rockstar makes a version of GTA 5 for PlayStation 5 and Xbox Series X, I really do hope that there are PlayStation 5s in stock, because I'm not gonna buy that game a third time, because for the first few months it's free on PS5. So I hope they have stock, because I'm not going to go buy this game a third time. A third time. I'm not doing that. I'm not gonna do that. And knowing Rockstar, they'll probably charge you 1,200 rand or something for the remaster of a remaster. Very funny. And before I end off this video, can we just admire one last time how beautiful this controller looks? This controller looks absolutely beautiful. Just beautiful. Just look at that. Just look at that. It's beautiful. Yeah. I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all for staying till the end, and peace.